What's up guys, how you doing? And I'm glad to see you again on my channel. Today I'll continue making money on binary options, and I'll show you what to do if you have only $100 on your balance. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so I'll show you how to increase your balance. And in case you have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video. And also, I'll leave you the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you check all these links below. And also, if you text me today on Telegram, you will get the link to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% on your deposit as a bonus for free. So make sure you check all these links below. And without further ado, let us get straight to trading. So we open PocketOption and we see the price chart. I open a down trade for $100 for 1 minute. I think you understand that when you have about $100 on your balance, there is no need to talk about any nice earnings when trading binary options. And that's why if trading is conducted taking into account all the rules of money management, avoiding high risks in trading, then the trading amount should be no more than 5% of the amount on the balance. In this case, the trader's profit will not exceed $4.6 in each trade. So can you imagine the amount? And of course, such profits are very small, and it will take many months for the trader to accumulate the necessary capital on his balance. There are two ways to speed up this process. The first one is to deposit additional funds to your balance, and the second way is to increase the risks when choosing the trading amount. I'm showing you the second method today, and it worked. I made my first $87. So today we will work with the US dollar and the Canadian dollar currency pair, and the expiration of all trades will be 1 minute. And to continue trading, we will increase the trading amount to $190. And today we use indicators such as zigzag and donkey and channel Williams R% to determine the best entry points into trades. So follow up. I'm gonna make a down trade for $190 for 1 minute. And on one hand, this trade is open against the signal from the Williams indicator, which shows a possible increase in price. But if you look at the zigzag indicator line, it's located at the top of the price chart, thereby showing that at this point, this is the maximum value of price, after which the price is likely to decline, which you see now in the chart. All right, the price keeps declining. But since the signals before entering the trade were opposite, this trade can still bring surprises. So far, everything is going as expected, but as we can see, when the local minimum is reached, zigzag created a new line down, after which the price began to make some growth. All right, and our trade closer profit added to my account $165. The use of high-risk trades so far brings only positive results, but we continue and increase the trading amount to $360, which is a very dangerous 99% of the deposit. As you have already noticed, today I use a little popular but a useful zigzag indicator. The zigzag indicator is designed to determine the true local minimum and maximum of a trading instrument. It can act as an indicator that displays the zones of a sharp reversal of price movement, thereby simplifying trend trading systems or strategies. This tool is most often used as an auxiliary filter. It helps to determine significant maximums. As you can see, the price began to decline, while zigzag changes the position of its line, thereby determining a new local minimum. When the price corrects upwards, we try to choose a more convenient entry point. And I'll make an up trade for $360. This decision was made taking into account the signals from the two indicators. The first one, of course, zigzag, which determined the local minimum, after which the price mostly started growing. And the second indicator was Williams, which line before opening a trade crossed the 80 level from the bottom up, thereby giving a signal about a possible increase in price. And the price is going up. And since the two indicators independent of each other indicate a possible increase in price, then I think this trade should not surprise us. And on the price chart, we see that everything is going as expected. The price is above our entry point, but at the same time, the growth of the candle has been replaced by a correction right now. We have nothing to do but watch the price changes and wait for our trade to end. Hopefully it will end at a profit. I made a profit $180. How do you think about that? I was able to turn $100 into $500 and even a little more, but this amount is still not enough, so we have no choice but continue trading. So we're gonna increase the trading amount again, now to $540. And I was focused on trading that I didn't even notice that the profit on our pair was reduced to 50%. So I want to choose another one. So let's try to continue trading on the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. Okay, the profit is now, or the payout is now at 88%. Please note that the zigzag marks a local minimum on the chart. After that, the price began to grow. Meanwhile, we'll observe for the time being, but I would like to note that some traders prefer to leave the market when volatility increases, a kind of protection against risk. But it is the zigzag indicator that allows you to trade in profits even in such difficult conditions. And the indicator does not perform complex calculation. Zigzag's works is focused on constructing a segment connecting high and low prices. And since its line remains at the minimum value, it can be assumed that its next point will be after the appearance of a maximum. So after waiting for the minimum value, I made an up trade for $540. And entering into this trade is very similar to today's first one, because in that case, now the Williams indicator was given a signal about a possible price decline as its line was moving down, trying to enter the oversold zone located between the 80 and the 100 levels. So let's follow our price. And again, I use the zigzag indicator data because, as I said, I expect the price to continue to grow. And as you can see, the price is really growing and it's really active now. After crossing the Donchian average line and continued growing, this zigzag marked a new maximum and immediately the price made a correction. Okay, the price is now at a good level for us, away from the entry points. And our closing profit added to my account $475. And finally, we have $1,000 on our balance, but I think it's not enough though. Therefore, once again, I'm gonna increase it to $1,000. Okay, by the way, the main purpose of the zigzag indicator is to filter out price noise. This eliminates insignificant chart movements. Due to this, the trader receives ready-made maximums according to which it is possible to build support and resistance levels. And I'm gonna make an up trade for $1,000. And that's why the line of the Williams indicator, despite the downward correction of the price, continued to move up. And this for me was a strong signal of a possible increase in price. In addition, the local maximum indicated by the zigzag indicator was in the area of the Donchian average line, while there was no signs of a trend reversal. So I concluded that the upward movement of price will continue. So let's see for ourselves. As you can see, the price continued growing. All right. Now we have a new local maximum. The price is likely to reach the upper limit of the Donchian channel. Our trade is closing soon. At a profit, we made $900 profit, amazing. So as you have already noticed, the zigzag technical analysis indicator is one of the most useful technical analysis indicators. And its formation takes place when the price shows or forms a new maximum, like or minimum price value, and the zigzag shows you that. So the price must first move away from a certain maximum by a certain amount, and then when it moves away from it by a certain segment, then the final zigzag segment is finally drawn. And before that maximum is formed, the zigzag is simply following the price. All right, so that's the simple idea of the function of the zigzag. And now I'm gonna make a down trade for $1,000. And on the chart, I saw what I was thinking about a minute ago. The price reached the upper limit of the Duncan indicator, after which some correction began to occur, and that's exactly what I expected it to do. In addition, the Williams line was in the overbought zone, and there was a trend towards the beginning of its reversal, and as a result, a decline, which also was a signal for me about a possible decline in price actually. The price is declining, slow and steady. And again, technical analysis does not let me down. As we can see, the price is very actively declining right now relative to the maximum that was formed and marked by the zigzag indicator. And the trade is coming to an end. The price is fluctuating right now. Okay, almost there. And we made the $900 profit. And this is the end of our today's trading session. Let's summarize the results. So today I showed you how to increase your balance starting with only $100 to reach a certain amount that you can trade with a clear mind. So with only $100 on my account, I managed to turn it into over $2,800. And guess what? In just 11 minutes. Write me how do you think of this result in the comments below. And with this amount, you can just move on to trading the classical way on binary options with the risk management 5%. And with this amount, you can count on a profit up to $128 per trade. I guess that's a nice profit compared to the $4.6 I just showed you in the beginning of the trade if you started with only $100. So in today's trading session, I showed you how to start with $100, what to pay attention to, and if you follow the points I explained in this video, you'll be able to replicate this result on your own. But again, as I always remind you, before opening any trade, study the market carefully and study your price chart and use indicators to decrease your risks to the minimum level, and also aim to make profits over the long run and don't look for any fast profits. And as you study, things will clear out more for you. And as you saw today, analysis in binary options is not complicated at all. And in case you have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. The link is below to my Telegram and also my Telegram channel, where I share my daily trading signals and also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure you check that. And also, if you text me today on Telegram, you'll get the link to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% on your deposit as a bonus for free. Make sure you text me today to get the link. And if you like this video, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.